Alright, now whenever you are typing using Samsung keyboard, it's a bit difficult to delete the content on the text box here. Because when you start deleting, when you press this backspace and when you press and hold on it, it'll start deleting the initial few words slowly, and then it'll start deleting the entire word, and you'll not be able to stop exactly where you want to stop. As you can see here, I'll just press on this backspace button, and I'll press and hold on it. You see the contents will quickly get deleted, and it's very difficult to stop where you want to stop. This is something which is a bit annoying when you delete the contents while using Samsung keyboard. Now for this, we have got a solution. We can use Samsung's Keys Cafe module on the Good Lock to reduce this acceleration, the delete acceleration, which makes it easier to delete the lengthier sentences or the contents on the text box. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now let's go to Good Lock application. Let me open Keys Cafe here. Now here we have got plenty of options to customize the Samsung keyboard. We can create your own keyboard, you can style your own keyboard. We have got My Sticker options, Play Keyboard options. We are not going to focus on any of these. We have covered all of these in the previous videos on my channel. But if you want me to do a dedicated video on Keys Cafe module, do let me know in the comment section. I can do that for you guys. Now let's focus on the advanced keyboard settings. Let me tap on this. You see we have got a few important toggles here. This is going to be very, very useful. Now here you can see there is one switch called Turn Off Delete Accelerator. Now this is the toggle which is going to help us to reduce the acceleration of the backspace button while deleting the contents on the text box. Now let me just enable this. Now what we'll do is let's go back to the text box here. Let's use the Samsung keyboard again. Now let me press and hold on this backspace. You see it's deleting letter by letter, and it is not too fast like before. Now this becomes very easy for us to stop where we want to stop. This is the feature you must enable if you're using a Samsung keyboard. Now let me just go back here. Let's see what else we have got. We have got use sticker suggestion in a larger view. When you enable this, the sticker suggestions will be in larger view on the Samsung keyboard. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. First, let me disable this. Now you see on the text box, let me just type something here. I'll type the word smile. You can see this is the sticker suggestion we have got, and this is the size of this particular strip. We can increase the size of this. We can have a better view by enabling this particular toggle here. So let's go back to the advanced keyboard settings here on the Keys Cafe. Here we have got use sticker suggestions in larger view. I will enable this toggle. Now let's go back to the keyboard. Now you can see when I type the same word smile, we have got this larger sticker suggestion panel here, or the strip here. If you like this view, you can enable this particular feature, but I'm not sure how it's going to be useful, but just in case if you want this, you can enable this. Now likewise, we've got a few more options here under advanced keyboard settings. We've got options like longer space bar while URL typing. You can increase the size of the space bar, which will hide the .com and / keys while using typing. Likewise, we have got a couple of more options over here. The most important switch here is turning off the delete accelerator, which is going to be very, very useful while deleting the contents inside the text box while using your Samsung keyboard application. So go ahead, enable this particular switch to experience better deleting of the contents on the keyboard. Now apart from that, this particular module can do a lot. Let me know in the comment section if you want a dedicated video for this Keys Cafe module on Good Lock. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. That's all I want to share with you guys. If you're interested in this particular wallpaper, you can go ahead and check out the description. I have left a link for the wallpaper. You can download it. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to know your phone better. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.